Hey there, welcome to or welcome back to No Pants Profits. My name is Richard, and today I'm coming to you with day number 5 of our $1,000 a day challenge. And yesterday I fought buying Tesla and Carnival. And I bought them, I thought I was going to have a later night than I did last night. So I bought them before the market opened, and the stop losses were not in effect until 9:30 the next morning. So some screwy things happened. Carnival happened pretty by the book, but Tesla went a little wild. We got stopped out on both of them. And we are definitely red now, but we'll see just how red we are. And then we'll take a look at stuff for the next day, which hopefully won't be tech. You can see, let's look at Carnival. We bought $984 worth, and we sold for $964. Was the worst case scenario we had on our chart. Hey, done, finished. Now it's at least black. Boom. That didn't turn out well. We lost $19.84. The problem is we lost quite a bit more on Tesla. A lot of it more. Because what happened was Elon talked. I actually shot the video yesterday before Elon talked, and then Elon talked, and then don't listen to AIs. Yeah, Elon talked, and this little drop right there. Well, that's when Elon opened his damn mouth. And the problem is, let me go and open this real quick. I gotta scroll down and show you. Yeah. So, I don't want to show you. I'll show you. I'm back in Tesla. I bought some Tesla on the drop right here, but that's irrelevant to this discussion. We bought 997.80, which you will see right here. 997.80. Let me zoom on in. And should have broke out at 977.85, but we got out at 924. So we lost money. And why that happened is because the sale didn't happen until the market opened at 9:30 a.m. today. See, Elon went to talking, and the stop loss happened. So we don't want to be placing these things for market open. We want to place them immediately. So you'll see what happened there is a little disturbing. So let's go ahead again. So we are going to go. I'll show you what we got. Where this 977.85 is, which was supposed to be our sale amount. At least for this experiment, we're about to go red. I can tell you this, and we're gonna have to do some safer things because we sold for 924.60. Ooh, ooh, that's not good. We were practicing safety, but again, what happened was there was such a massive drop. And I'm trying to recover a little bit back from that, but this is just what happened was just a disaster. Yeah, we were talking about 5 o'clock yesterday. Here, I'll show you. Talking about 5 o'clock yesterday. We placed that limit sell, and it was about there. And then Elon opened his mouth, and just Tesla went into free fall. That's why I've been avoiding Tesla. I did personally, not part of this experiment, trying to get a little bit back here. I did buy some Tesla just to try and ride back. I bought like $4,500 worth of Tesla, or 15 shares. So I bought 5 times the shares to try and claw something back over time. But that was just a loss there. All right, so yeah, we're looking at negative 48.80. But again, we've traded. What have we traded? We traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000, and only lost 48.80. It's not bad for day trading. To only lose 48.80 on there. You're not telling me I would have rather it been 0. But now we get to go to my buddy Grok. Grok. Tell me where to invest $1,000 today and make it a stock that is not technology based. This is a single high risk. We're going to see this through. We've only lost $48. Day trade. Single high risk day trade. Yeah. Look at current news and events. This is called prompting. Let's see. So it doesn't bother us and do as much crazy stuff. Let's see what we're going with today. It involves risk. Thank you. Global payment network. Non-technology. Okay. 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 Trade scenario. I like it. I don't want to deal with Johnson & Johnson. Okay. Let's do it. Global payment network. The global payment network or Johnson & Johnson, both stocks. Yeah. How many shares? How many shares of GPN can I buy? Again, we're going to check all these numbers. No. GPN. It's going to fucking put Groupon. It's a really bad idea. Okay, global payments. Higher DayTrades. 11.86 shares. So 11 shares. Let's see if we can buy 11 shares. We're going to take a look at something because I've never heard of global payment networks, but hey, GPN, global payments. Okay. I'm okay with this. Let's see where we're at the last week. 1%. Okay. Yeah, let's see what 11 shares gets us at. $925. Seems like a good place to all right, so we're gonna buy at 85.24. That's the ask price. All right, and I'm gonna tell GPT I bought 11 shares at 85.24. Calculate my exit. Exists. Yeah, exactly. Again, you can run these calculations in a spreadsheet or anything. Okay, 11 shares. DayTrades. Stop loss. So we're going to do a 3% stop loss on there. Sell at 89.50. What? That's stop loss. Okay. 3% loss. 85.24? Seem right? $3 loss. Okay. Oh, 88.60, 82.68 is going to be my stop loss there. So I'm going to go sell, limit order, minimum price or higher. No, we want to do a stop. The stop is, what was our number? It is 82.86. Yeah. 82.86. All right, let's do this. 82.86. Continue. Okay. Now let's just make sure. This is where we messed up with Tesla. Oh, we need shares. Let's go like this. I'm gonna see when it goes into play. It's queued for market order. So that's where we got hurt with Tesla, but we're gonna keep it there. We'll keep it there. I don't think we're gonna have a big who knows. So GPN. So GPN is global payments. GPN. All right, and we're gonna calculate what we would win or lose here. I've never bought this stock before, so that makes it fun. GPN limit buy. So investment amount was $928.40. Yep. And our potential exit is 82.86 times 11. 82.86 times 11. Okay. That's what we'd like. Hold on. Something wrong. Something wrong. Okay. 928.40. We're down a little bit. Okay. Sale amount. Ah. 92.86. Yeah, this is all. That's why you shouldn't do these things at 4:55 in the morning. 82.86 times 11. Should be 911. Okay. So we're going to copy here. And that's our trade for the day. So we'd be down $65 if that were to go through. Again, it's $1,000 a day. We've got that in place. Hopefully we hit a home run somewhere. So far, we're not doing too great, but I told it to avoid the tech sector. Yeah, it's still kind of tech sector-y, but I told it to avoid the tech sector a little bit. This is just a small portion of the trading I'm doing on a daily basis. Robinhood is a very small portion of my main stock portfolio. It's pretty much the only thing I play around with. Everything else is pretty automated, dollar cost average, in, out, stuff like that. But yeah. So we got a new stock that I've never played with before. It's a payment stock. The one thing I want to check off on GPN. So the only thing, Global Payment Networks, is what the Morningstar rating was. I don't have a Morningstar rating. I don't have recommendations. It's a smaller stock, so there's no really recommendations of whether to buy or hold, but it's based in Georgia. It's on the 24-hour market. It's in banking. People also buy PayPal, Nike, Salesforce, Adobe, Block, which is Square, healthcare companies, Pfizer, Alibaba. Okay. There's some interesting things that are buyable there. But that's what we're going with today. GPN. Something that's kind of in the tech space, but more in the banking space. Hopefully get in and out of that real quick. Again, we had some negatives there. That $73 loss. That $19 loss. Brings us down $65. Believe it or not, so far, Verizon and Palantir have done the best for us. But that's where we're at. We're going to continue doing this for another week. We're going to be doing it next week. Probably from my truck, and then at sea. Yeah, on the Margaritaville at sea. That's why I released my Margaritaville review today, but that's it. Let's keep watching out and see if we can turn this number on the bottom green. So it's Richard from No Pants Profits reminding you that when you wear no pants, the only you got left to lose is your turtle shirt. Have a great one. Bye!